Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your productivity with Asana step by step clearly. To get started with Asana, sign up for a free account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Choose between a blank project or a template that suits your needs. Name your project clearly to reflect its purpose. Add sections to organize tasks within your project. Define specific goals for your project to stay focused. Begin adding tasks by clicking on the Add Task button. Be sure to provide clear and concise titles for each task. Assign tasks to team members to ensure accountability. Set due dates for tasks to keep projects on track. Prioritize tasks using the drag and drop feature. Use subtasks for larger tasks that require multiple steps. Add descriptions to tasks for additional context. Utilize the comments section for communication regarding specific tasks. Attach relevant files to tasks for easy access. Integrate Asana with your calendar for better scheduling. Use the timeline view for a visual representation of your project. Regularly review the progress of your project to adjust deadlines if necessary. Encourage team members to update task statuses regularly. Implement project milestones to celebrate key achievements. Consider using tags for easier sorting and searching of tasks. Explore Asana's reporting features to track productivity metrics. Be open to adjusting your workflow based on feedback and outcomes. Schedule regular check-ins with your team to discuss progress. Leverage Asana's mobile app for productivity on the go. Always return to your project's main objectives to ensure alignment. With these steps, you'll effectively enhance your productivity using Asana. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.